snow in this blizzard of 2016. Problem is, I didn't properly plan ahead for this, so the chimichangas that I had in the freezer are just about running dry, so I'm going to chronicle my journey to walk. Yeah, so car is definitely not an option. So let's see if this store is actually open. Looks like Mr. Chimichanga has some competition. You see, snow hit Friday and Saturday. Well, Wednesday and Thursday, people were freaking out and clearing shelves. So I wanted to prove that, you know, you might not be able to rely on your car, but you can always rely on